Force development program really is to share best practices with our partner nation, how we do recruiting, how we develop our enlisted officers, and how we keep our skilled manpower.
We have them pre-positioned at those TSP locations.
We've done it before, we've made mistakes before, we have improved it, and now we are sharing with our partner nation. So the best outcome is to see a partner nation be able to do what they're supposed to do in terms of their mission, in terms of their capability, but their own version.
We are trying to grasp the concept of how USAFE is handling all the challenges that comes with manpower, which we find to be the most precious resource that we can get, and probably the only one that we have in our country. Everything else we need to buy, but the manpower comes from within, and if we just need to find a way how to properly manage it.
That's why it looks like a regular jet, but typically during the middle of the inspection there's panels off.
Started with sharing how we quantify the manpower. How do you earn manpower to be able to achieve your mission? That's what this program is all about. So we want to show them how we develop our airmen that works on those aircraft, how maintenance, logistics, all centered on that weapon system. That's why we're here.
And that's one of the things that we think of. So it's pretty much the last thing we do on the okay. So there's some questions about hydrazine.
It has been a great tour because we managed to see specific bits and pieces of the overall system, and hopefully by the end of the day, when we see the other pieces, we will be able to build something of these little bricks.